guys, it's Andy Fellas here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, well, this channel is just about everything under the sun, random things that I'd like to share to you. So today is going to be my first ever food vlog. I would say this is my first ever food vlog because I'm going to be the one to prepare it. So this is going to be my specialty. So it's going to be ribs or grilled ribs. So it's going to be in two parts. The first part is how to prepare the ribs. Okay, and later on we'll talk about how to prepare the sauce and grilling itself. So you guys excited? Because I am excited too. And so we have the ribs. And then the first thing that we're going to have is, by the way, I'm just going to put all the ingredients as needed. Scarlett! That's my dog. So I'm just going to, I lost it. So yeah, it's going to be two parts. I'm going to make sure that all the ingredients are going to be placed on the description down below. And at the same time, please do let me know your thoughts by putting it on the comment section below. So I have here lemons. So when life throws something, you throw lemons back. Aww. So lemons, because lemons is going to, what do you call that? Cook? Or it will tenderize the meat itself so that later we'll have amazing ribs. So just make sure that before you cut it in half, you have to roll it on the table. But my table's not really that sturdy, so I'm just gonna roll it on the wall, if that's okay. So I'm just gonna roll it on the wall. So you have to, push really hard. Okay. The reason why we do this, because if we're going to squeeze the lemons, we are able to get all the juice that we can, okay, and let it all dry. So I'm not sure if this is okay. So push more. Push, okay. Okay, according to man, it's enough. You're just gonna cut it into two. Okay, and you just have to squeeze it. But before you squeeze it, okay, it's a strainer, so I'm just going to put it here on a large bowl and squeeze the lemons. Okay? Squeeze it and let it all out. So it's still a lot. I think I'm not able to push everything earlier. So sorry. Don't have all the energy here because of the hormones. Okay, wow, that was two. Before we actually put the marinated ribs inside the fridge, we actually put some, aside from the lemons, we put some, how do you pronounce this, Ben? Dwaji Kalbi. It's a sweet and spicy ribs. Easy and authentic seasoning mix. So we put it on the ribs, massage, and put it inside the fridge. So earlier we put this on the fridge since 3 p.m. and now the time is 7. So we're actually preparing the griller. So we have Ben on the background. She's actually right here preparing the charcoal, making sure that it's burning. So we are going to set aside the ribs first because we're going to make the sauce. So I'm quite upset because we're supposed to use the food processor, but I cannot use it because I'm missing, or I lost the cover, and you cannot use it without the cover. So we're going to switch to a blender. Well, normally what we use is a smaller version. It's actually, it's a different, it's not really a pitcher. There's like a very small jar with with a blade on it, so that you can, mix the sauce or blend the sauce. But since there's also something wrong with the small container, because I think we've actually lost the, what do you call that? It's the rubber thingy that seals the jar as well as the blade. So we're just going to use the pitcher as the container for the sauce. So we do have a lot of ingredients for our sauce. We're supposed to use the following. So we have the peanuts, we have the mixed herbs. Sorry, this is pepper, and then we have the mixed herbs. We have the Worcestershire sauce. We have some paprika. And then we might have a problem, having this, if we grind this, because it would have been better if we're using the food processor, but since we're using the blender, we're just going to switch to the peanut butter. Okay? And another secret is also using the tomato sauce as well as the Grill Mates Hickory Smoked Barbecue Marinade Mix. So there's actually a lot of ingredients, but you're not really going to use the whole thing. So it's just going to be bits and pieces. So let's start blending the sauce. So we're going to start with some oil. So this is oil, guys. Speaking of, this is vegetable oil. But I place it on the 1 liter bottle of Royal soda. So maybe we're just gonna have like 2 tablespoonful of vegetable oil, and then we're gonna put some mixed herbs on it. Okay, mixed herbs. Alright. And then we're gonna put some pepper. Pepper, just a dash of pepper, I guess. And then we're gonna put some Himalayan parents, Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire, or whatever. And then we're also gonna put some tomato sauce on it. The tomato sauce. We're gonna put everything. Okay. So let's use the whole packet. Okay. And then we're gonna have the Grill Mates Hickory Smoked. We're gonna put everything on there. Okay. And then we're gonna. Oh my god. My nose now. Let's dash of paprika. And of course, to make crispy, we're gonna add some peanut butter. Okay. Just gonna, just use half of this one. Okay. There. Just 1 sec. Because I've actually placed everything, now it's time for us to blend. Sorry, I almost forgot to get this. Okay, we're gonna have the pulse. We're just gonna have the pulse. Gonna check if it's really mixed up. Wow. Grill the ribs. So one tip that I've actually learned when I was having this recipe, and I think this is going to be my 5th try to do it. Okay, so it wasn't really that successful in the first tries, but if I'm not mistaken, on my 3rd, 4th, and this is going to be my 5th try. Let's see if the taste is even better. So I hope you guys will, well, you won't be able to know if you like it, but I have Ben, my guest, she's going to judge it and see if it's to her liking. And this is gonna be her second time to taste the grilled ribs. So, see you later. Bye. So we're gonna put the sauce on these four that we actually guys, so we're done grilling. And we're gonna have Netflix while we have dinner. And then Ben prepared some soup, and we also have pasta. We used to have humba, but we already ate them. And yeah, bon appetit. And so how was it?
Wow, okay, so now this beautiful man.
Ayun, di bibi ate.
Do you like it?
Day one, it's awesome. Whether it's beautiful, beautiful.
How was the taste?
I'm going to have a great time. Day two.
Pretty sure it's good.
John said that he had to leave for a little bit. That is
I just don't know.
He came back with a vial of drugs, wrapped a belt around his ankle,
Now
and
let's
he
eat
inserted the
Andy.
drugs with hypodermic needle between his toes.
Now, please let me know what you love about what you love about this vlog, and if you do have some comments, please do let me know on the comment section below. And if you're new to my page or new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Once again, this is Andy Falias, and see you again next time.
Pwede na.
Hello guys, it's Andy here. This can go okay. Sige lang. Scarlett! Scarlett!
Go. Ka-video siya.
Hello guys, it's Andy Falias here, and welcome back